Thanks so much. Well, we just explained the importance of heart health a few minutes ago, but part of keeping your heart healthy is eating right. So here to help us out with that is Grace Hoffman from St. Luke's. Good morning.
Good morning.
Thanks so much for being
here. Of course.
All right, so we have a lot to talk about. So what are you making for us today?
Today we are making a one-pan meal, which is always so convenient on busy nights. So this is a pineapple tofu sheet pan meal with walnuts.
Okay, a lot of ingredients. So
yes.
Walk us through everything.
Yes, lots of fresh ingredients. So I'm just going to start pouring all my veggies into one large bowl.
Okay.
I have cut up broccoli, red bell pepper,
okay,
red onion,
gotta have red onions,
some pineapple. This can either be fresh or canned for convenience. I would recommend getting a no sugar added pineapple.
Okay.
And then some tofu that I have cubed up. And then star of the show are the heart healthy walnuts. Walnuts actually have the certified heart check from the American Heart Association, so they are a heart healthy food.
I love that.
Yeah, so now we are going to make the dressing.
Okay.
This is a quick marinade dressing with some coconut aminos or soy sauce, pineapple juice from the can, lime juice.
Smells good.
And then some avocado oil, garlic, and sriracha, which is optional.
Looks like hot sauce.
Yes, it is going to be a little bit spicy, so you can leave that out if you do not love the spice.
And this dish is, I love it because it has your veggies. Talk a little bit about why it's so good for your heart.
Yeah, so it is full of fiber, which is ideal in every meal. But the walnuts are going to be full of omega-3 fatty acids, which they are actually the only plant forward source of omega-3 fatty acids, and they are certified by the American Heart Association, so they are a heart healthy food.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm just giving that a mix. I want to get them nice and coated in the sauce. And then, really easy, just going to pour it all onto a sheet pan. So, like I said, this is a sheet pan dinner, so you just need a bowl and a sheet pan to make this. Really easy.
And this looks like it would feed a lot of people.
Yes, so it'll feed a family and you'll have leftovers, so you can have it throughout the week as well.
And how long would you bake this?
So this bakes at 400 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes, and this is the final product. After it is baked, it gets nice and crispy and browned, and I like to serve it with heart-healthy, fiber-rich brown rice.
Okay.
So I would pour it into a bowl, scoop a scoop of brown rice.
This is good. I like this.
And then top it with the veggies and walnuts. Get some of that really good sauce in there. And sprinkle a little bit of cilantro on top.
There you go.
So this is how I would serve this meal. Heart healthy, fiber rich, and will keep us feeling full and satisfied.
This is a great recipe. Can you tell us a little bit about some other heart healthy foods that people can make?
Yeah, so nuts and seeds are going to be heart healthy. Anything that is fiber rich, protein rich, those are all going to be heart healthy. So tofu, broccoli, bell pepper, onions, things like that are going to be heart healthy.
And we know we have to focus on our heart, especially for women.
Yes.
Can you talk about just why it's so important to be monitoring what you eat?
Yes, so nutrition plays such a role in the prevention of so many chronic diseases. So it's so important that we are fueling our bodies with nutritious foods to prevent things like high blood pressure and heart disease, especially for women.
Okay. Well, thank you, Grace, so much for being
so
here and giving us this amazing recipe. Thanks so much.